All right, you ready? Okay. What's up, guys? Morpheus here. A lot of guys keep calling me, wanting to come train from me, you know? Not that I'm the master or the sensei and this is my dojo, maybe a little bit. I can't just, it's not something I can just, there you go. So for all you guys that keep asking me how I do what I do with the PPF, I'll give you like a quick little demonstration. So if you think you can replicate it, do it. Or just, stop asking me.
Yeah.
Okay, tile is clean. Slip solution, just missed it up there. You want to just glaze it. So it's glazy, like a glazed donut. Not too much, you don't want any drips. Peeling station, get yourself a peeling station. Squeegee your stuff down. Clean this area, you don't want dirt coming in. Because you're peeling. Little mist is good, why not? Little mist is good. Slip solution. A little of that too, why not? Now comes the art. Be an artist. Be crafty, figure out how to pick it up without flopping it. Oh! Yes, it's a dance. And then comes landing it. Remember, you have arm hair. Arm hair gets stuck in it. Start placing it, place it, just get it on there. You touch other stuff, guess what you're touching? Dirt. Don't touch the dirt. This is the game, this is the art. Double check, look, I'm looking over. Come and see, go watch me. This is all fluid here, okay? I'm doing this, but I can't stop focusing this. This could slide off. That slides off, guess what it slides into? Dirt. And then keep watching, keep looking at everything. You don't want nothing touching. Here we go. I'm gonna lay this downward because there's dust. It could become dirt. Okay, here we go. My hands are all slippery. That's not gonna work. Okay, starting point. Where do I want to go? That looks complicated. This looks important. It's gonna jiggle, jiggle. Get that loose. Get it loose. Get it in the position you need. Boom, 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 boom. Here we go. Here's an edge right here. I'll use this edge. And that looks better. And boom. I think that's my starting point right here. So this will start off the revolution of install. And just kind of press on it. Stay there. Okay. Divide and conquer. A little slippery. I don't want that. I want to be able to tell it to stay. And you're gonna stay right there. Boom. No bubbles. Bubbles are bad. We're gonna come back and yes, if you have nails, your nails could be a squeegee. That's part of the talent. Okay. Pop up, get it loose, jiggle, 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 and fix it. I'm watching this line right here. Hold it, jiggle, jiggle, stay. Now everyone wants to go this way, but don't do that. You need this slack. Okay, come over here. Feeling the consistency. Down here looks a little dry. I'm gonna reapply some gel. Don't care about it. A little gel there, why not? Slippery. Get your grip. You need your grip. Okay, this looks like it needs to be about there. I'm gonna spread that apart. It's still moving. I need some grip. When I say stay, you stay. Boom. Oh, look, stay. Yeah, why not? You too. Stay. Okay, now I gotta hope my slack up here is good so I can stretch back. Pop up, get it loose, line up the front edge, that's what's important. We're visual people. If it looks good, it is good. Right? Okay, that looks pretty good. I'm gonna pop this up. It could be better. Let it pull back if it has anything to pull back. And it will just fall right into place. Fix this edge. See what it takes. This is an art. You can't just be like, yep, I'm landing film. So, sorry guys, it's an art. Or it's just a whole lot of common sense mixed with the ability to, your hands to do what your brain thinks. I don't know. Yeah, exactly that. All right, I'm gonna get this in position. I wanted to hurry up because I'm afraid for my little top edge up there. That's gonna work, cool, okay. Pop, 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 pop. Okay. So you just did all that work. What do you do now? You gotta be able to do this. I am squeegeeing with an angle. I am focusing on this front edge. Stay there, boom. Now I'm gonna shove all this liquid down the pipeline. And it's helping me get any and all bubbles out. You mess up right over here, forget about it. This will never be glass. You'll never get glass. So this is the art again. You're back to art. Little couple fingers there. That means there's some tension there. I'm gonna shove it and tell it to stay once and for all. Little solution because I can't miss this run up. Here we go. Up. Okay. That's about good, right?
It looks pretty damn good.
Like, okay, just get a BMW, get this piece, and do that 10 times.
You'll be all right.
And then come ask me if you can work here.